everyone. My name is Jasper, and today I'm going to do a math problem on statics. Example 1. A teacher recorded the weights of 8 students as follows. So we want to find the mean, mode, rank, and median. To find that, we have to list these numbers in increasing number like this. Now first, the mean. The mean is pretty much the average. And how do you find that? Is you add all of these numbers and divide it by the number. Divided by 8 in this case, because there are 8 students. But there's also an easier method when you have big numbers like this and a lot of numbers. You can pick a number that's more in the middle, like 56. 56 is not bigger or smaller than 56. But you can have 60 as 4 bigger than 56, and 62 is 6 bigger, and 63 is 7 bigger, and 41 is 15 smaller. Now we add them together, which equals to 8. Now, first, we're just saying that if all numbers are 56, then that means there are 8, let's just say apples. Just say there are 8 apples still remaining. So we want to distribute these 8 apples to all of these 8 students. So every student gets 1 apple. So the average of all of these numbers is 57, which is 56 plus 1. So the mean is 57. Now the mode. The mode is basically just the number that appears the most. And in this case, it's 56 that appeared 3 times. Now the range. The range is the largest number minus the smallest number. So we can have 63 minus 41, and that equals to 22. Now last, median. Median is the middle number. It's the number that's in the middle. Now there's an even number of students. So the median is the average between the 2 middle numbers, which is 56 and 60. So we can use 56 plus 60 divided by 2. And so that equals to 116 divided by 2, and that equals to 58. So the median is 58 kilograms.